How to remove digital coupons from the Dollar General app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking this question. So in today's video, I'm gonna explain everything about removing digital coupons from the Dollar General app. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video to understand the process completely. So if you have added some coupons in the deals section and want to remove them, you have probably noticed that there is no direct option to delete or remove coupons. Unfortunately, the app doesn't have a built-in feature for this. But don't worry, here is what you can do. Start by tapping the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the app, and from there, select Get Help option. Now, in this section, you will find the option to contact customer support. You can either email them or call them directly. For this, I'm going to send an email. And now, when you are writing an email, make sure to explain clearly that you want to remove specific digital coupons from your account. Be sure to be detailed as possible to improve your chance of receiving assistance. And now keep in mind that Dollar General app may not always be able to remove coupons from your account. If that's the case, the best solution is to simply not use the coupon you don't need. They won't affect your account negatively by just being there. And that's it. While there isn't a direct way to delete digital coupons from the app, contacting customer service is your best bet. And with this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.